What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the space, from altcoins to meme coins, and we back with another Tonic video. Tonic fam, Crow fam, we back, man. I appreciate all the support y'all giving me on my Tonic videos, man. Go out and support, share them with the rest of the community. Get these views up, man. Get it to 1,000. Get each Tonic video to 1,000 to 10,000 views, man. We ain't playing around. We're gonna get as much people to learn about this project as possible. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got some nice news that came out this week from, Fed FOMC meeting potentially this week. Will happen this week, and CPI, which is inflation data as well. We got a bunch of bullish news, and that could be great for Tonic, man. I'm telling you guys, we got right now sitting at 33 million market cap, 94k 24-hour trade volume. We could see on the 7-day. Right now on the 1-day, we see a nice little curve. Could this be a potential breakout this week for Tonic? I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, right? Tonic, constant engagement, constant people talking about it on Twitter, constant community members growing. Even if there are bearish sentiments, the bulls will outweigh the bears, and you just accumulate going into the bear market DCA, like I've been telling you guys. That's all you got to do, man. It's that simple. Stop overcomplicating crypto. Unless you want to make money in the short term, long term crypto trading is easy. It's simple. Short term crypto trading, now that's where it gets difficult, right? But if you're thinking just long term, you buy in the bear market when everything is cheap, when everything is dirt cheap. You accumulate, and then you sell in the bull market. You sell in the bull market at peak euphoria. It is that simple. I'm telling you guys, it's just that simple. Shout out to Agent 00, Tectonic ambassador. In my opinion, easiest way to DCA into projects like Tonic, VNO, and others is by options trading. I DCA a lump sum every month on top of my weekly harvest. Haven't even been an hour and I'm up another $48. I'm just happy to be here. So you see that he's finding ways to accumulate his bags and add to his bags. So he's doing options. He's trading options. Getting some P&L, right? Getting his getting profits from his trades, and then he's using that to accumulate. Look at that, $48 right back in the Tonic Crow, VVS, right? And that's how you do it, man. The Crow ecosystem is still developing, still new, but Crow is one of those top projects in the space. A lot of users, a lot of actual use case with crypto.com, and Tonic being one of the top altcoins in the crypto.com ecosystem. You just can't fade it, man. You really just can't fade it. You guys, if you're not gonna be trading like Agent 00, find other ways to accumulate, right? Find great projects that you love. Tonic, Crow, VVS, you name it. You sell, sell. Maybe you go out and sell things. You got an extra, work another job. Like, you gotta really push it to become to get those life-changing gains, guys. You gotta put in that work to attain those life-changing gains. You gotta have to keep pushing it. This is from Zygomatic. Next few months are gonna be huge for Tonic. Possibly new partnerships in NFT staking. Chronos chain is strong. Absolutely amazing stuff from Zygomatic. I'm gonna have to like and retweet. I'm on my shilling Twitter right now. But yeah, man. Tonic the team keeps building, developments keeps happening. They just keep going, right? And it's awesome to see, man. Awesome to see. And yeah, man, shout out to Zygomatic. Always let him, doing great, art design stuff for like his Twitter page when he talks about Tonic, and always mentioning Tonic. This is how the rest of the community has to be. Keep pushing it out. Let more people know about it. You see people saying, shill me, what's the next 100x? You tell them Tonic, right? You keep it up. Community stays building. You guys absolutely crush it. We saw what Pepe did, like I said, man. 2 weeks, 1.7 billion market cap, just off community hype. That's all it really takes, man. That's all it really takes. Agent 00 hosting Tech Tuesday, episode 20. Wow, episode 20 already, man. Putting in that work. Great to see. make sure if you're part of the Tonic community, go support Agent 00 and show him love to that, man. Show some love to that. And right here, like I said, guys, we had some great news as far as like the overall markets. Inflation data, CPI came down to 4%, which is lower than expected, and that is absolutely bullish for the markets. We also have FOMC meeting, so we could see a Fed pause. Inflation is really low. We could see Jerome Powell pause the interest rate hikes. If he does another rate hike, it'll probably be 25.25, 25 BPS, because inflation is clearly coming down. So the Fed has been doing a great job. Aside from the banks collapsing, they have been doing a great job with bringing down inflation like they said they would, and it is actually back down to 4%. So if they keep it up, it could come down to the 2% target. A lot of things will break along the way, but they'll get their 2 to 3% target, right? So we'll see what happens with the Fed meeting, see what the market's reaction to it will be. But overall, it's bullish. Inflation coming down is bullish. My apologies for the the background noise, guys. So yeah, this is from Charlie Bileo. US CPI has moved down from a peak of 9.1% last June to 4% May. What's driving that decline? Lower rates of inflation in fuel, oil, gasoline, gas, utilities, used cars, medical care, apparel, new cars, food at home, and electricity. Rates of inflation in transportation, food away from home, and shelter has increased since last June, but declines in other major components have outweighed these increases, right? So right here, we can see, man, we are seeing the reduction taking place, which is great for the markets. We could see some volatility this week. We could see a breakout in Bitcoin and ETH and Crow, and that would be also lead to a breakout in Tonic fam, Crow fam. Thank you guys so much always for supporting the channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share these videos out. Let's get them to 1,000 views a piece, man. If you see me sharing my videos on Twitter, go like and retweet. I'd appreciate it. And let's keep building as a community. My main Twitter is mostly all Tonic related stuff, right? And so yeah. Also, if you can, please become a Patreon, where I will give you guys access to like all of my altcoin plays aside from Tonic. If there's a project that I find interesting, I'll share it in the private Discord first. You only get access to that through the Patreon, and also my buy alerts and sell alerts. If I buy something, sell something, I'll let you guys know through the Patreon. That is my crypto elite tier, or you could just become a crypto sniper and let's snipe these plays. So guess what? Agent 00 using our trading to accumulate more to his bags. We could be flipping altcoins to accumulate more Tonic, guys. Once again, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll catch you in the next video.